Best camping gadgets on Amazon. Camping is a great way to get in touch with nature and enjoy the great outdoors, and the right camping gear can make all the difference. The best camping gadgets are designed to enhance your camping experience, providing comfort, convenience, and fun while you're out in the wilderness. From portable power sources and compact stoves to innovative tent designs and high-tech sleeping gear, there's a wide range of camping gadgets available to meet the needs of different campers. Whether you're a seasoned camper looking for new ways to make your trips more comfortable, or a beginner seeking the essential gear for your first camping adventure, the best camping gadgets can help you make the most of your time in the great outdoors. Wood-burning camp stove 2. Turn fire into electricity and charge your smartphone, tablet, or other devices. Charge while you cook or store power in the 3200 mAh battery for later use. The battery stores one full smartphone charge. Find your stove fuel around camp or on the trail and stop carrying the extra weight of fuel canisters. Burns pellets and twigs, sticks, dried lichen, and pine cones. Camp Stove 2 Plus only weighs 2.06 pounds and packs down to the size of a 32-ounce wide-mouth water bottle, making it ideal for backpacking. Quickly boils 1 liter of water in 4.5 minutes. Orange Solar Tent. Orange, the renowned UK mobile company, has unveiled this concept camping tent with various unique features. The solar-powered tent contains photovoltaic fabric to generate solar energy, a rocking heated ground sheet, a wireless hub, and magnetic induction charging pouch. The innovative Glocation technology of this orange tent will allow the user to identify their tent by using the powers of a cell phone through SMS or RFID technology. Whenever you will activate the feature, the motorcycle helmet-shaped tent dome will glow gently, pointing you back to your tent. Armor ATD All-Terrain Portable External Hard Drive. You go through extremes to capture the perfect shot, so make sure your storage is as relentless as you are. With G Technology's Armor AT Drive, you get an all-terrain drive to back up and protect your footage from out in the wild to back in the studio. Finally, a rugged drive you can rely on. As used for storage capacity, 1 terabyte TB equals 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on the operating environment. Shock resistance up to 1.2 meters on a carpeted concrete floor for 1 TB and 2 TB capacities, and up to 1 meter on a carpeted concrete floor for 4 TB and 5 TB capacities. Olight Warrior Mini 2 Tactical EDC Flashlight. See up to 722 feet away with the Olight Warrior Mini 2 Tactical EDC Flashlight, which boasts a maximum output of 1,750 lumens. Impressively, it also has a smart proximity sensor to prevent overheating. This means it automatically dims its light and turns off when it senses lens obstruction for a minute. Furthermore, the Warrior Mini 2 offers an impressive battery life of up to 45 days, so you can keep the adventure going. Designed with a reversible clip, it lets you keep its bezel down in your pocket, so it's easy to pull out and use as a tactical light in any emergency. With a compact size, it measures fewer than 5 long and offers a carabiner-style ring that makes it easy to clip anywhere. Beacon Rechargeable Camping Lantern. Heritage quality outdoor goods built for a lifetime of use. We're about food, nature, and the pull of the fire, and we supply the inspiration, goods, and guidance to help you revel in them. Whether you're cultivating, cooking, camping, or exploring, our products will elevate your outdoor experience. Barebones is a certified B Corporation. We meet the highest verified standards of social and environmental performance, transparency, and accountability. We focus on long-term solutions that create a positive impact on our employees, our community, and the world. This portable light easily hangs with its carabiner top or stands on its sturdy base. Pyro Putty Malleable Fire Starter. Don't get caught in the rain when you need to prepare a fire. Instead, keep the Pyro Putty Malleable Fire Starter in your back pocket. This camping fire starter is waterproof and helps you start a fire no matter the conditions. Even if it's way below freezing or pouring rain, this waterproof fire starter ensures you get a hot meal. The winter blend works in temperatures as cold as -20 degrees Fahrenheit. It also works up to 70 OF, while the summer blend and eco blend support temperatures from 40 to 110 OF. Whatever the situation, this camping fire starter gets a flame going. It may seem like a small little tin, but you just need an amount the size of a nickel to burn a fire for up to 10 minutes with a 6-inch flame. Goal Zero Yeti 1500X Portable Power Station. Power anything indoors or out that you could from a wall outlet with the Goal Zero Yeti 500X portable power station. This camper's gadget has a 2000 AC inverter that lets you run large devices and appliances without worry. This inverter handles surges from medical gadgets, home appliances, power tools, and more. Furthermore, this power station has a lithium-ion battery. It provides you with clean, safe energy while you're outdoors and for emergency home backup. And with a wide range of port options, including fast-charging 60W USB-C power delivery, USB-A ports, regulated 12V ports, and more, it provides true versatility. Best of all, the Goal Zero Yeti 1500X charges in 3 ways: solar, wall outlet, and car. No stealth shovel. Perfect whether you're digging out your vehicle from a snowdrift or leveling a campsite. It's easy to see why popular mechanics called it the only shovel you'll ever need. Or why Travis Rice called the Stealth the ultimate terrain-building snow shovel for ski and snowboard athletes. Or why the International Sports Products Organization named the Stealth. Made from lightweight and durable T660-61 aircraft aluminum with an anodized finish, this tool won't rust or break. Gemso's Stealth is the ultimate shovel for auto/overlanding, adventure, action sports, or for commercial and military work. Twice as thick as an avalanche shovel with optimized blades and teeth to break up rough terrain and ice. Nite Ize CamGem XT aluminum rope tightener. Tighten tension, connect, and secure heavy loads with knot-free technology by simply pulling your rope or cord through the cam mechanism of a Nite Ize CamGem XT aluminum rope and cord tightener. Featuring a carabiner clip and gate on one end, the CamGem XT is cleverly designed to be configured in either a fixed end or a loop system to securely tie down lumber, gear, and other heavy loads. Made of heavy-duty, durable cast aluminum, the CamGem XT has a single-pack load limit of 500 ohms, 227 kilograms, and a brake strength of 1500 ohms. The CamGem XT and XT Large have a load limit of 280 ohms and 500 volts respectively, and can be configured in a fixed end or closed loop system. Tie a knot to create a loop in one end of your rope or cord. Clip the CamGem XT into that loop, then pull the other end of the rope through the cam mechanism. This loop system enables you to bundle or wrap heavy loads and easily secure them. Surefire Titan Ultra Compact LED Keychain Light. Outdoors enthusiasts and nighttime drivers alike will love the Surefire Titan Ultra Compact LED Keychain Light. Fitting in the palm of your hand, this portable flashlight packs a punch and can light up much larger spaces than you might expect. Plus, it attaches to your keys, so you never have an excuse to lose them. This nifty device is perfect for changing flat tires, pitching a tent, or lighting up the basement when the pesky fuse box was out again. It also has a powerful battery life. Titan Plus features a removable pocket clip that provides many secure pocket carry options. A nickel-plated brass body maintains the durability of this useful light, so the Titan Plus is really for just about anything. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.